Picture a Sunday morning about 100 years ago. Before the family left for church, a large joint of beef went into a slow oven, and by the time everyone walked back through the door, the whole house smelled like an event. Sunday dinner was not just a meal. For generations, it was the anchor of the entire week, the one table nobody was allowed to miss. Today, we are exploring where that tradition came from and what it looked like around the world. The tradition grew out of simple rhythms. Sunday was the rest day, the one day farm families and factory workers alike were home together. In England, the custom of the Sunday roast stretches back centuries, and many families timed the meat so it cooked gently while they were at church. Because the big meal landed on the day of rest, cooks could give it hours instead of minutes, which meant cheaper, tougher cuts turned tender and glorious. Every culture had its own version. In Britain, it was roast beef with Yorkshire pudding, crisp potatoes, and gravy. In the American South, Sunday often meant fried chicken and biscuits after church. Italian-American families simmered a big pot of Sunday sauce with meatballs and sausage from morning until afternoon. In France, the midday Sunday meal could stretch past 3 hours. Different dishes, same idea, the best cooking of the week saved for the day everyone was together. Here is the clever part. Sunday dinner was designed to feed the week. Monday was often washing day, so the cold roast reappeared as sliced meat with potatoes. By midweek, the last scraps became hash, croquettes, or a hearty soup, and the bones went into the stock pot. One generous meal, planned well, quietly stretched into 3 or 4 more. Nothing showy, nothing wasted, just thoughtful kitchen arithmetic that kept the food budget steady. The table itself mattered as much as the menu. Out came the good tablecloth, the better dishes, sometimes the chairs from the parlor. Children learned to wait, to pass plates, and to listen to the grown-ups tell the same stories again. Grandparents, cousins, and neighbors were folded in without ceremony. For many families, this was the one truly unhurried hour of the week, and people planned their whole Sunday around it. So what happened? Cars, weekend shifts, sports schedules, and the rise of casual dining slowly loosened the ritual through the late 20th century. The big meal migrated to holidays only, and Sunday became just another busy day. Yet the pull of it never fully disappeared. Ask almost anyone about their grandmother and her Sunday table, and watch their face soften. The memory of that meal tends to outlive the recipe itself. The lovely news is that this tradition asks for no special equipment, only a decision. A pot of something slow, a set table, phones in another room, and an open invitation. It does not need to be a roast. Soup counts. Pasta counts. What made Sunday dinner powerful was never the menu. It was the reliability, the quiet promise that once a week, everyone would be in the same place at the same time around warm food. So today we visited the old Sunday dinner, the slow, anchored meal that fed both the family and the week ahead, from English roasts to Italian-American Sunday sauce. We saw how it stretched into thrifty weekday meals and why the table mattered as much as the food. Here at HappyMind Nutrition, we love shining a light on gentle traditions worth keeping. If this felt like a seat at a warm table, consider subscribing, and thank you for spending this time with us.